PolyAPI Now on Open VSX by Alex Papageorge, Product Manager, PolyAPI, March 4th, 2025. We've made it even easier for developers to integrate PolyAPI into their workflow. Our latest release includes the PolyAPI VSCode extension on Open VSX, giving developers more ways to install and use it without being tied to the Microsoft Marketplace. Why this matters. OpenVX enables seamless installation, ensuring developers can access PolyAPI extensions regardless of their development environment. By offering an alternative to the Microsoft Marketplace, it streamlines the setup process and provides greater flexibility. Developers can install the extension with one click. No need for the Microsoft Marketplace. Teams using self-hosted or cloud-based VS Code setups can access PolyAPI easily. Users of open-source distributions like VSCodium and Eclipse Theia have direct installation options. This means no restrictions, more flexibility, and a smoother experience when using PolyAPI. Why Open VSX? For those unfamiliar, Open VSX is an open-source alternative to the Microsoft Marketplace for VS Code extensions. It's widely used by developers who prefer vendor-neutral, flexible development environments. By publishing on Open VSX, we're enabling developers who want full control over their tools. No Microsoft dependencies required. Teams working in cloud-based VS Code setups install and use PolyAPI without marketplace access. Anyone looking for a lightweight, open ecosystem, seamless installation in just a few clicks. Get started in seconds. Ready to explore what PolyAPI can do? Install our VS Code extension from Open VSX and start integrating PolyAPI into your workflow today. Need help? Check out our step-by-step guides and training videos. We're excited to see what you build. Happy developing.